Alright, well, hey guys, this is Alex3619, and I'm going to be doing a review of that tractor right there. This thing I bought for $100. I know it looks like crap, but everything works like a beauty. Let me put the tarp back somewhere. There it is. Here's my yard. I just mowed with it. There's all the grass. So that it's a really tiny yard. The reason why I basically bought it was for my landscaping business. Well, actually, from just my mowing business. Anyways, it hasn't ran for about an hour now. So, where are my keys to it? Let's see how easy she'll start. I love Craftsman keys. Right there, that's how big it is. Big boy. Got the deck. Someone repainted it. They painted it tan and all this crap. And so, let us see here. We shall sit down on this bamboo. Yeah, this one does not like to be choked. And the key barely fits in. It's like it's stolen or something. No. So, first we push down the clutch. Check that it's in neutral. Yes. Put the throttle to full. There we go. There it is. I lifted the shoe up to get in this tight space. That is. Now we're going to flip it back into reverse. And then do it pretty good. Flip it straight back up. Really bad at driving this thing. Alright. Put it in the neutral. Put the idle down. And that is the lowest idle I have ever heard. Alright. Well, here it is. It's a Craftsman something. I have no idea what it is. The headlight is right here. And it the guy spray painted it. I bought it for $100. Everything worked. Just disconnected this one. Right here, and if anyone knows what I can do, because that giant strap that won't come off of it. If anyone knows what I can do to make it better, weld it or something, just tell me. But anyways, the control arm right there. Busted it fell on. I had to put another one on. It works fine now. So here's what was under the hood. I cleaned it up a little. It used to look like scrap. It was basically oil greasy everywhere. It looked like a bunch of crap basically. Surprisingly, it still works. It's a good lawn tractor, basically. That's the rear end. I taped a towel on there. I glued down these things right here on both sides. And then putting down the chute thing. Anyways, so I'm not sure if it's a 17 or a 12 horsepower. I'm not sure the back said 17, but it doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like much. So I mowed the lawn with it. It's a pretty good tractor. I mean, what can I say? I can't say anything about it. It works nice. It's good. Other than yeah, he painted, as you can see, he painted the hood, the deck, and the rear end the same color. I took the deck off to swap the pulleys. Well, I tried to anyways. What you do is you just swap the deck and the motor pulley and the drive pulley, and it will go like 3 times the speed that it does originally. I don't want to screw anything up because $100 for me isn't like a tiny amount of money, considering the fact that I'm just starting my lawn mowing business this summer, and summer's halfway over now. So I made about $250 in a couple of weeks, which isn't too bad. Doing other things too. So as you can see, it runs great. Every single one of the gears are fixed, and I might sell it. I might sell it for $200. Just because the engine is perfect. As you can see, the engine runs perfect. It consumes very little gas. I got a full tank of gas right now, I believe. Yep, that's it. And yeah, it doesn't clear all the way correctly, but it beats everything else I could have got for $100. Most of them weren't even running. This thing was running the whole, whatever the guy said, it mowed better than his 2006 Murray, so I gotta give it credit. It came with a pop tire, the nail's still in there. Right there. Oh no, that's not the nail. Thank you all. But the nail was in there, and the tire pressure's still good, so I'm not gonna bother to take it out. I don't want to waste any more money. It was covered in straw and sludge. I took the deck off and cleaned it. So right now it works really good. Actually, I only mowed my lawn once. I got it 2 days ago, but I'm really surprised I could get this off Craigslist for $100. He originally wanted $150 for it, but I knocked him down to $100. Well, he lowered the price himself, and then I asked him what about delivery. He said he'll deliver it for free to me, so that was about the only piece of work I had to do. It's great on gas. I mean, I can't say much negatives about it other than that it's old and the deck looks like crap, but the blades are basically new underneath there. I don't know if you can see the blades right now. No, I don't think you can. But anyways, it's a smooth ride. It has black oil in it. It's a good tractor, basically. I love this thing. So I don't know, I might keep it, might sell it for $200 because to me, I bet it's not worth it to many people, but to me it's worth that in just sentimental value. It's the first tractor I ever got, and it's the thing that helps me get my business going, so I'm obviously going to price it way up for myself because I really like it, and it's reliable. So that's about it. Here's a full review of it. The engine, one more time. It had like sludge. You see that down there? That sludge? That's exactly what it had. Like the gas tank was all covered in sludge, grease, everything. And the deck worked surprisingly well. He said he had it for 5 years, and the pulley never broke on the deck. Nowhere. It never broke. That was the first time it broke, and he just sold it. And he said, I'm going to sell it because he had another one with a bagger. He wanted a bagger. He had his Murray, so he had a bagger on that one. And he said he was going to sell this one. So when I saw that, I didn't really want it at first. And then, like, it had no seat. It looked like crap. It was standing in the shed full of straw, and it was covered in straw in the pictures on Craigslist. But I cleaned it up a little bit. I taped the seat down. Brand new battery, as you saw how easy it started. Yeah, good solenoid, good starter, good everything. I like Craftsman. I've had like 3 of their weed eaters and 2 lawnmowers, and all of them work great. You do regular maintenance and it'll treat you well. That's what I think about anything. So this thing is great. I love it. I mean, what can I say? Well, if you guys have any questions or suggestions on how to fix the steering problem I got, because I think he hit something and then he sold it right afterwards. So if you guys have any suggestions, just PM me. And rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll have a lot more reviews coming up. I don't know what year it is either. Can someone tell me what model it is? It says 40-inch cut, 6-speed, shift on the fly, and it just I don't know what model or year it is. Oh yeah, custom cup holder. As you can see, it's screwed in right there. 2 screws sticking out. So yeah, that'll fit. Soda bottle, whatever, when you get hot. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Like I said, again, thanks a lot.